Welcome to this guide on generative AI. Today, we are exploring two powerful techniques that have revolutionized how we edit digital images: inpainting and outpainting. Whether you are an artist, a photographer, or just curious about AI tools, understanding these concepts is essential for mastering modern image creation. First, let's talk about inpainting. Simply put, inpainting is the process of modifying content inside the borders of an image. Imagine you have a photo, but there is a missing piece, or perhaps an object you want to remove. Inpainting allows the AI to look at that specific area and fill it in with new pixels that match the surrounding environment perfectly. On the other hand, we have outpainting. While inpainting works on the inside, outpainting works on the outside. It allows you to extend the canvas beyond its original borders. The AI dreams up what lies outside the frame, effectively uncropping the photo and creating a larger scene that didn't exist before. So how does the AI know where to draw? The secret lies in something called a mask. A mask is a simple binary instruction. You highlight the area you want to change, creating a black and white map. The AI knows to keep the unmasked pixels exactly as they are and completely regenerate the masked pixels from scratch. The magic behind this is context awareness. When the AI regenerates the masked area, it doesn't just guess randomly. It analyzes the neighboring pixels to understand the lighting, the textures, and the perspective lines. It uses this information to ensure the new content blends seamlessly, making the edit invisible to the naked eye. Inpainting is incredibly useful for everyday tasks. The most common use is removal, like taking a stranger out of your vacation photo. It's also used for replacement, such as changing the color of a shirt, and restoration, which can miraculously repair cracks and tears in old vintage photographs. Outpainting opens up creative possibilities. You can use it to change the aspect ratio of an image, turning a vertical portrait into a horizontal cinematic shot. It's also used for world building, allowing artists to start with a small detail and expand it outwards into a massive, detailed landscape. The workflow for both techniques is straightforward. Step 1, select the area you want to change or the empty space you want to fill. Step 2, describe what you want in a text prompt. And Step 3, let the AI generate variations until you find the perfect match. However, this technology isn't perfect. Sometimes you'll encounter consistency issues where lines don't quite connect. The resolution of the generated area might be lower than your original photo, and the AI is very sensitive to your text prompts, so describing exactly what you want is key to avoiding strange results. To summarize, remember that inpainting is for fixing and changing what is already inside the frame, while outpainting is for expanding and creating new worlds outside the frame. Both tools rely on masking and context awareness to help you create impossible images with ease.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.